And that's how you make Mel's chicken tacos and corn. Hi, welcome to Mel's Kitchen. Today I'm cooking char-grilled chicken tacos with a side of spicy street corn on my new BBQ. First up, I'm going to preheat the Weber. I'm going to turn the dial to heat setting number 4. And then we'll go inside and prepare. First I'm going to prep my chicken. I'm going to add all my spices into a Ziploc bag, and then I'm going to add my chicken and put it in the fridge for 1 to 3 hours. Now I'm going to strip my corn so it's ready to barbecue, and I'm going to make my chipotle mayo. So I'll be adding some mayonnaise, chipotle paste, some Greek yogurt or sour cream, lime juice, oregano, and salt and pepper. Mix that up and set it aside. First up, I'm going to put the chicken on the BBQ, followed by the corn. After 4 to 6 minutes, I'm going to turn my chicken. Every couple of minutes, rotate your corn. Now I'm going to take my chicken off and rest it for 5 minutes. So I'm going to put my tortillas on and char those too. Now that everything's finished on the BBQ, I'm going to slice my chicken up, add it into my tortillas, and add my favourite toppings. And then I'm going to coat my corn in the chipotle mayo and then roll it into my cheese.